brother, you should go to one of the best cities in the world. You should go to Dubai.
As any other morning, I woke up this morning and I said to myself, why not travel to one of the best cities in the world just to do one thing? And that thing is to launch my online course. I'm traveling there 2,500 miles just to launch my online course. So do adventures like this, seek discomfort, be ready for everything. Hey, what's going on guys? What's going on YouTube? I hope everybody's having an amazing day, an amazing week whenever you're going to watch this. Right now is 8 a.m. I just woke up, so sorry if I'm talking kind of lazy. So today there are going to be two adventures, two big stuff for me. First, I'm going to launch my first YouTube video, kind of vlog, kind of travel video, whatever you want to call it. And second, I'm traveling to one of the biggest, it's not the biggest, but one of the best cities in the world. I think by now all of you guys know for which city I'm talking about, so make sure to stick till the end of this video. Do adventures like this, seek discomfort, be ready for everything. So see you guys in the airport. Hey, what's up guys? At the toilet right now in the airport. I just did my check-in and I'm ready for the flight. I just need to wait for the plane. So I came a little bit early, like 2 hours early. I gotta go upstairs, do the other stuff, pull up my laptop and do some work there. So see you up there guys. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the video. So I arrived to one of the best cities in the world. As I said before, this is Dubai. By now I think all of you knows about which city I am. As you can see there we have Burj Khalifa, and it is one of the tallest building in all the world, one of the biggest, one of the best I can say. Right now is like 1 a.m. I didn't have the time to do many other stuff. I did arrive at like 10 p.m. or so. I was just, recording some stuff, editing some stuff, and replying to emails. So tomorrow is going to be a big day. I think I'm gonna try to fill like 4 days in this video, and I hope I can do that. So I hope you can also hear me, since my microphone just broke down, and I hope you can hear me. So see you in the next shot. Hey, what's up guys? So this is one of my stores. As you can see, 3K just today in the biggest city in the world. As you can see, 3K profit there. This is just one of my stores, not mentioning all of my other stores. This is what I'm able to do, and this is what you can also do. This is the reason why I actually came here, just to launch this course, Dropshipping Start, to learn you how to exactly do this with one branded dropshipping store and just many other stuff. So basically, this is one of my stores. Like you can see, this week 4K, and only today I made like up to 3K. This is basically Shopify dropshipping with one branded product, and this is basically what you can also do. So see you guys in the next shot. Hey guys, just a little video to motivate all of you that are new to dropshipping and are new to e-commerce. I started like 4 years ago, and everybody was saying to me, dropshipping is dead, dropshipping is not going to work anymore, Shopify is dead, don't do this, don't try this, don't jump into it. And I just didn't believe anybody, and I know that wasn't that, and I wanted to do it. And that's what I exactly did. I started doing it 4 years ago, and look at me now. In the best city of the world, this is what dropshipping and e-commerce was able to do for me. It just opened all the doors of my life. First, be financially freedom. Second, travel the world. And 3, work from anywhere. I just made 3K today. I basically made 3K today just chilling here and enjoying the best time in life. So, of course, when you first jump in, it's scary. It's scary since you need to invest money and you need to put time into it. But at the moment that you see the success, at the moment that you see the profit, at the moment that you see the revenue, it's just going to change your life.
And this is basically what I was able to do for me. So basically this was just a short video to motivate all of you guys and show that everything is possible, everything in your life can be possible and can be done. Nothing is like, I cannot do this. You can do this. Basically everybody can do this. Even me, I can do this, you can do this. At 20 years old, at 30 years old, at 40 years old, I can say even a grandfather can basically do dropshipping. It's the easiest thing in the world. But not random dropshipping, not shit store, not shit domain, not shit marketing. You need to have proper marketing and you need to have a good branding. At the moment that you have good branding, good marketing, good product, basically you are at the way at the top. You are at the way of the Burj Khalifa right there. You will be at the way of Burj Khalifa right there. You will be at the top. At the moment that you understand everything, at the moment that you have the branding on top, at the moment that you have the marketing on top, at the moment that you have everything on top, you will be in the top. You will be the best. Nobody can defeat you and nobody can be like you. So I'm basically just trying to motivate you guys with this video and show everybody and show the world that everything is possible. There is too much value that can be put into dropshipping in 2020. And you should start with this right now. Good morning guys, I just woke up. I'm at the top of the building right now. I'm at floor 43 as you can see right here. There it is the pool. I can show you in like 2-3 seconds. As you can see, there it is the pool. I'm at the biggest floor on this building right now. As you can see, there it is Dubai. I just woke up after a little bit of nap. I was editing the video last night. I was doing some work, so you know the hustle never stop, baby. We never leave, we never do those stuff. Hey, what's going on, boys and girls and whoever is watching this video? Welcome back to the video. Right now at the hotel lobby, as you can see right here, I'm ready to go to the Palm. So I hope I'm gonna have some adventure there. I'm going to try the best to do some crazy stuff there, and also going to record a video to tell everybody that I'm launching my course. So see you guys at the Palm. Hey, what's up guys? So I didn't have the chance to just sit and talk to this video. It's the last day that I'm going to be in Dubai today. I have been here for almost 4 days right now. I did try my best to shot some video. I hope you will enjoy them. So right now I'm just sitting here and talking to you guys, talking what I did and how I found Dubai and how I found basically did I launch my course and answer some questions. So yeah, so right now I'm just sitting here and I'm talking to the camera right there, and I'm basically just enjoying my time here. As you can see behind me, there is a beach. It's freaking good, it's like a dream. To be honest, in Dubai it's just like a dream. It's one of the best cities in the world, as I said before. Right now I'm at JBR is like a center where everything goes here. There's a lot of hotels, a lot of stuff basically, and I'm here sitting doing some work on my laptop right there and answering my DMs. So yeah, I did launch my course yesterday actually, so I don't know when I'm launching this video, but yeah, right now I guess you are, anybody who is in my course, welcome that you are watching this video. You saw my adventure of coming here and launching my course was. So basically yeah, I did launch my course. It was good. It was a good experience launching my course. It's like a dream launching the course from here, but this is basically what I was able to achieve by dropshipping and e-commerce. So I get asked a lot of questions, guys, like in my Instagram, that are saying people, oh, so you do dropshipping, you do e-commerce, is it good, is it profitable? Yeah, 100% dropshipping and e-commerce is profitable in 2020, and it will be profitable all the time. As I said in the other videos, just having a proper marketing, just having a good store, and having a basically good branded store. If you start a brand with a dropshipping and e-commerce store, basically you will be at the top, and that's what we are doing here. We are launching that. We are doing dropshipping, we are doing e-commerce, and we are doing branding basically. So we are just trying the best right now to do everything as much as we can. So yeah, I did launch my course. It is called Dropshipping Start. It includes more than 40 premium videos to learn everything from how I did start my store and grow it to $700,000 in only less than a month. So basically this is dropshipping, and this is what dropshipping was able to do for me, and to achieve these dreams that right now I can travel the world, I can be financially freedom, and I can have basically a freedom to go everywhere. So right now I will go and shoot some content for you guys. I hope you will enjoy this video. So see you soon, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm back right now. I'm walking by the beach right now. We have some crazy sunset going off right there that I will show you just in 1 second. Basically it's like a miracle, to be honest. There we have, I don't know, it's like the London Eye but made in Dubai. I don't know how it is the real name, but that's basically how we all call. And here we have JBR. As I was saying, JBR is one of the best places in Dubai, I can say, besides the downtown and Burj Khalifa and some other stuff. We also have JBR. That is a very good place basically here. So there are a lot of stuff going on right now in Dubai, or let's say based in this area. There is like too much people coming at night. It's almost like 6 p.m. right now, but still a lot of people that are enjoying their time with their family, with their friends, with whoever they did come to here. As we see, like at JBR, I can say one thing about JBR, like every building here is in a yellow cream color, something like that. So it's definitely one of the best thing to do. And it's another thing that I want to say about Dubai, like everybody here in Dubai is basically friendly. Everybody here in Dubai is basically friendly. Everybody talk to you, everybody smile to you. There is like, not people that are afraid to smile or to talk to you. You can basically go to anybody and just say, oh, hey, what's up, how is everything going, how are you enjoying your time at Dubai, and where you're from. And you can basically ask anything that you want in Dubai. Right now I'm going to that side. I'm going just to cross the border. It's like a border right there. I'm going to cross the border, and we are going to go to the other side. That is, I don't know, I will show you guys in 1-2 seconds. So let's go with some cinematic shots that I hope I can edit as best as I can, just to show it to you guys. So let's go there. Okay guys, so this was the video. As you see, I'm still editing here my journey to Dubai. It took me a lot of time to put everything together since there was many shots, but I tried to do my best to get you guys the best quality as I could. So if you want more videos, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button so I can know if you guys want more videos from me. And don't forget to follow me on every social media platforms that I have. So till the next video guys, see you, and don't forget, stay positive and use your mindset for good and stay motivated. See you guys in the next one.